Hey YouTube, welcome back to the channel. For today's video, we will be taking a look at the Air Jordan 6 Georgetown. Now I definitely think this is one of the under the radar sneakers for this year. I mean, yeah, they sold out, but I think that these sneakers were underrated in my opinion. And even though it's a simple gray and navy sneaker, there's always something about a Jordan Retro done in a dope colorway that will always make me happy to be a sneakerhead. And yes, even though that may sound a little bit cliche, I do think these are one of the better sneakers to get released this year, and it's perfect for fall in my opinion. So when it comes to the sneaker, it's pretty straightforward. The upper features a tonal gray suede, with the midsole having hints of navy blue scattered throughout. The suede itself is a low-range suede, but it feels good to the touch. The Jumpman on the lace pouch and toggle feature navy blue, with more seen on the heel tab. Translucent hits are seen on the midsole of the sneaker with a visible air unit. On the back of the sneaker, we have the Jumpman Air logo in navy. And to finish off the sneaker, we have a outsole done in gray as well. When it comes to sizing, I recommend going true to size. My overall thoughts on the sneaker are it's a good sneaker, especially if you're a Jordan Retro lover. This is a good sneaker. It's pretty neutral, so you can go to all fits. And neutral is kind of in right now. And an overall great sneaker can either complement an outfit or elevate an outfit. So in my opinion, I like these a lot, and it's a good sneaker for fall. Stay tuned for the on-foot portion of the video, and let me know down in the comments below if you guys copped or passed. And as always, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and until next week, happy Friday, peace.